we are going to discuss numericals of engineering chemistry, unit number 1, water technology. So here, first type of numerical, that is to find total, permanent and temporary hardness of water sample. So for finding hardness, we required formula, and that formula is y into m2 multiply by 100 multiply by 1000 divided by phi. So y is what? Y is a burette reading. M2 is molarity of EDTA, and V is the volume of water sample. So this formula we are going to use to find total and permanent hardness of water sample. And once we get total and permanent values, we can find temporary hardness. Okay, so this formula you have to remember. Now let us proceed toward one question. So question in front of you, 50 ml water sample. So how much ml water sample is given? 50 ml. So in given, you have to write 50 ml water sample. That is what first given. Then what is the amount of EDTA required? 12.5. Okay, so 12.5 ml is the amount of EDTA that we added in water sample from burette. So ml of EDTA, that is what? Y. So value of y is 12.5. Molarity is given in the question. What is the molarity? 0.02. So this is what the first given, and from the first given, that is what the normal water sample will give you total hardness of water. Now second part of numerical, that is what? The boiled water sample. Now water sample is not normal. Here we have a boiled water sample. Now volume of that sample is 50 ml. It is same. But now see here, the ml of EDTA required is 8.5 ml. So here molarity is same, that is 0.02 molar, and by using this given, you can find permanent hardness of water. Why we get only permanent hardness? Because water sample is boiled, and boiled sample will give you only permanent hardness. As I said, total hardness minus permanent hardness will give you temporary hardness. Now in exam, no need to write question. You have to write only given. Okay, you have to write given and then you have to proceed toward the solution. And in solution, you have to write formula first. And in formula, you have to place the values whatever given. So let us see the solution. Now, as we know the formula for finding total hardness, that is what? Y value is 12.5, M2 value is 0.02, multiply by 100 multiply by 1000 divided by 50. So here if you do this calculation, calci is allowed for examination. So here by using calci you can do the calculation, and after calculation you will get value of total hardness 500 ppm. Now we will proceed toward the second part of given, and in second part of given we have to find permanent hardness. Now formula will remain same, only value of burette reading, that is y, will change. What is the value of y? 8.5. Okay, remaining values are same. So if you do the calculation by using calci, you will get permanent hardness 340 ppm. Now you have a total hardness value, you have a permanent hardness value. So you just subtract permanent hardness from total hardness, you will get temporary hardness, and the temporary hardness is 160 ppm. So this is what the way to solve the numerical on hardness, and here we get values of total, permanent and temporary. Hope you understood. Thank you.